strategies that are tailored to the needs and preferences of Chinese consumers. Despite the many advantages of digital marketing and e-commerce, sustainable fashion brands in China still face challenges in reaching consumers and building brand awareness. Many consumers are still not aware of the concept of sustainable fashion, and may not be willing to pay a premium for eco-friendly products. To overcome this challenge, sustainable fashion brands in China are using a range of marketing strategies, such as influencer marketing, experiential marketing, and content marketing, to engage with consumers and build brand awareness. For example, some brands are partnering with celebrities and influencers to promote their products, while others are creating immersive, interactive experiences that allow consumers to learn about sustainable fashion in a fun and engaging way. In conclusion, the growth of the sustainable fashion market in China is a positive development for the fashion industry and for the environment. By adopting sustainable practices and materials, fashion brands can reduce their environmental footprint and create a more sustainable future for the industry. The rise of digital marketing and e-commerce is also creating new opportunities for sustainable fashion brands to reach consumers and build brand awareness. With the right marketing strategies and a commitment to sustainability, fashion brands can create a more sustainable and eco-friendly future for the industry and for the planet. Another important aspect of sustainable fashion in China is the role of innovation and technology. As the demand for sustainable fashion grows, brands are looking for new, innovative ways to reduce their environmental impact and create eco-friendly products. One of the key areas of innovation in sustainable fashion is the use of new materials. Brands are exploring a range of sustainable materials, including plant-based materials, recycled materials, and biodegradable materials, that can be used to create eco-friendly products. For example, some brands are using innovative materials such as pineapple leather, mushroom leather, and seaweed-based textiles to create sustainable and eco-friendly fashion products. These materials are not only environmentally friendly but also offer unique textures and designs that appeal to consumers. In addition, sustainable fashion brands in China are also exploring new manufacturing processes and technologies that can reduce waste and energy consumption. For example, some brands are using 3D printing technology to create products with minimal waste, while others are using waterless dyeing techniques to reduce water consumption during the production process. Another area of innovation in sustainable fashion in China is the development of circular business models. Brands are exploring new ways to design products that can be reused, recycled, or repurposed at the end of their life cycle, creating a closed-loop system that minimizes waste and reduces the need for new materials. To support the growth of sustainable fashion in China, the government is also investing in research and development of sustainable materials and technologies. The government has launched several initiatives aimed at promoting sustainable development and reducing the environmental impact of the fashion industry, including funding for research and development of sustainable materials and technologies. In conclusion, innovation and technology are playing an important role in the development of sustainable fashion in China. As the demand for sustainable fashion grows, brands are looking for new, innovative ways to reduce their environmental impact and create eco-friendly products. By exploring new materials, manufacturing processes, and circular business models, fashion brands can create a more sustainable and eco-friendly future for the industry and for the planet. Another important aspect of the growth of sustainable fashion in China is the role of consumer education and awareness.